Hey guys, this is a video about my boost. This is a ECX boost. Bought it as a rolling chassis. A little modifications to it. Battery bar here. It's 3D printed. It's got a Traxxas brush motor in it because for a while I couldn't get the drive shafts to handle the brushless motor. It just kept popping the drive shafts. It has a pro line wing on it and a team associated body, so it's kind of cobbled together. On the rear here, I have widened so it will accept a Traxxas drive shaft. So it's wider. Run some battery packs through it, and it hasn't had any issues yet. Both the arms, this and this, are 3D printed. I redesigned them, made them wider, beefier. Used the Traxxas drive shaft, and also reprinted the camber links. So we're gonna run this and see how it handles and see whether they break or not. Thanks for watching. Okay, that was a quick run. Everything went well. Nothing is broke. Those 3D printed parts held up. As you can tell, the rear end's a little wider now than the front end. Personally, I like that look better. And it is my car, so that's where we're going to leave it. Brushless conversion will probably be next, now that I have a drive shaft that'll handle it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.